Some athletics news now. Newcomers, Spanish Town Infant School dethroned Silverstone Infants to be crowned champions at the fourth staging of the Portmore Sports Association Basic Schools Athletics Championship recently. Denise Walters reports.
Spanish Town Infant won 3 of the 6 shuttle relays on offer. They won the Class 1 boys title ahead of Kensington Basic and Silverstone Infant. They also captured the girls equivalent ahead of Greater Portmore Infant and Ascot Infant. Spanish Town landed the girls Class 2 besting Silverstone and St. George's Infant. The boys Class 2 crown went to Union Garden Infant, who won ahead of Ascot and Silverstone. Silverstone took the girls Class 3 title, winning ahead of Ascot and Kensington. While the boys Class 3 event was won by Jude's Kids, getting there ahead of Ascot and Silverstone. Some other outstanding performances came in the hurdles. Kidane Linton of Union Garden Infant won the boys 50-meter hurdles open. Michael Ian Bell of Glad Tidings and Jalen Gay of PGA Prep were second and third respectively. Aliana Cunningham of PGA Prep won the girls equivalent ahead of Spanish Town's Kimoya Cope and Ascot's Malika Fuller. Cunningham was the champion girl in Class 1, while the Class 1 top boy was Spanish Town's Keode White. The Class 2 pair of Kelonique Edwards of Spanish Town and Jordan Bennett of Ascot were the respective champion girl and boy. And in Class 3, the champions were Spanish Town's Gianna Thomas and God's Little Angels Prince Halford. Spanish Town won by 55 points, scoring 220 to Silverstone's 165. Kensington 139, Ascot 124 and Union Garden 89 completed the top 5. Greater Portmore, Glad Tidings Early Childhood and Prep School, Jude's Kids Play Centre, Waterford Infant and St. George's rounded out the top 10.
Oh, okay. Our preparation, we practice every 5 days per week, sometimes 2 times for the day, sometimes 1 time for the day. This is our first time entering. We put in a lot of work and we have been successful, and I'm elated. We are looking forward to come back next year to defend our championship.
I think initially at first we had a little, mishap. So that was the reason why, we went a place down. And we are willing next year to recalculate and come back for the title.
16 schools took part in this year's staging of the competition, up from 6 last year.
We definitely need a sponsorship for a 2-day event. We will meet, go back to the drawing board, see where we can improve on, and definitely come back again next year bigger, better, and hopefully including a prize fund as well.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.